Are you interested in driving business success with data? Do you want to harness the power of AI and data to optimize business operations? The MBA Data Science and Artificial Intelligence program is your gateway to the future of technology then. At MBA ESG India, our Data Science and Artificial Intelligence program provides you expertise in data analytics and visualization, machine learning and AI techniques, big data management, predictive modeling and algorithms, data-driven decision making, and ethics and privacy in AI. Now imagine presenting a cutting-edge solution at AI Summit and global tech conferences. Eager to learn how to use AI to solve complex problems? Learn how to transform your complex problems into actionable insights with Global MBA at MBA ESG India.